Pretty rough, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Good to leave.
Sorry if you're the buyer. Sorry. I'm not really though. Look at this tire. Look at that. That's awful. So we went to the Nevada auction, and I don't know if you guys seen my video where I have like homesteading's expensive and we almost lost $6,000. So it's due to this piece of equipment. We didn't really take any pictures or video of it, and it was we really want a telehandler. That's really been our main goal, and we thought we got this really great deal on this telehandler because in the pictures it looked, you know, pretty good. And then Mark got here and he ended up completely leaving it behind. So what happens when you do that is you tell the auction saying, I'll pay for this piece of equipment, but can you resell it the next time you have it? And we were able to resell it. So anyways, let me show you. So we resold it, and just this last auction, I think it was March 25th, and with all the fees and stuff like that, we are net negative $354. So the outcome could have been so much worse, but it wasn't. So we're happy with those results. So we could have lost a lot more money, but we're okay with $354. Okay, let me show you this beaut. We got here at the Nevada auction and somebody hasn't picked it up yet, so I figured we'd walk by it and at least show you because I don't have the video of it. Okay, hold on. So here's the telehandler. Anyway, look at the ball tires. That was going to be an expense. And then just, I mean, it's just not in good shape. Mark was just starting to look at parts and see what everything was going to cost. These are usually indicators of a leak or a problem with the dirt and the leak like that. And it's just banged up. The body is in an awful condition. Looks like the windows are broken, and you know, you start adding the prices to how much everything was going to cost. And yeah, we don't mind fixing some equipment up. I don't want anyone, look at this tire. Look at that. That's awful. Just, I mean, clearly. So, like I've said before, like, we don't mind picking up something and needing to get fixed. If you are going to fix it up, is it going to cost more to buy something that's already fixed, or is it going to cost you more to fix it? And that's what we decided when we were looking for a telehandler and started looking for stuff. Started looking up the parts to fix this. It ended up costing more than what it was worth. So we left it, and this is what we left and such. And we knew we were gonna have to get either a new bucket for it or the forklifts, and we decided it wasn't worth it. Look at how trashed that tire is. Holy cow. So I'm filming somebody else's because we sold it just a couple of weeks ago. And but this was our loss. We had to fork out $5,800 with all the fees when we first bought this, and we had to sit on it since December, and now we're getting our money back, which is perfect because what they do here is they don't do anything automatic, so we're gonna see a check in the mail. So we probably be another month before we get our money back. So, but yep, this is it. Oh, I guess it was a rental. Look at that. So somebody must have rented it, and then it was probably used for parts or something. But yeah, it is trashed. It is in awful condition. So whoever bought it, hopefully they know how to fix it or have the parts to fix it. Alrighty. Well, we went to Nevada this weekend, and I have to say I prefer the Nevada auction before to be more, I don't know how to say it, more of a partner to market this kind of stuff and try to understand it, educate myself, because I know the lifestyle we're going to choose, I'm going to need to know a lot more than I think I do. So, and I can't always rely on him to know everything, but I kind of do right now because he's really smart. And I'm smart at other things, but not this kind of stuff. So, anyway, sorry if you're the buyer. Sorry. I'm not really though. Okay, so I did take a video of that.
It's pretty rough, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
It's good to leave it.
It was good to sell it, resell it.
Resell it for what? Yeah, we sold it for a good price. We worked out this fine.
Yeah.